NDC Greater Accra Regional Chairman Emmanuel Nii Ashie Accra Singapore ni abrante Toyi Khan edit to the sum of $800,000 in Niska Kuma ama abrante any editor currency na oba Ghana ama ba ye no wa boy ni regional chairman minimum read action no eda kudina court ese court enyi sika NDC chairman ebu na faso no na kwambole so atwe na die no onyi sika emfa na de ema no na in this video one hwe and someone is see a de kra na the regional chairman etimi enya no atwe ni how you Penyah block media at the end of this video no obeti bi ase mess also be like video no allow my boss subscribe button so like click the notification icon to latest updates na betre wa adwen de mama e wo comment section do baswa no ashi no for so enya bi ahwe enje heto no for about na come na election time campaign mu no NDC t-shirt o mu share ye no a guy na me no can as me so you can Singapore ni abrante or no enom the contract no man is already chat here just say according to Gh20m or the buy ya on the 26th of June 2024 no and I say na NDC regional chairman Emmanuel Nii Ashie ene ne edium komaga o t-shirt no edema e ko say ema so you can kwa send t-shirt ni bi man sample magazi okay cool other say cool but make sure say obebie 24-hour economy na ewo atare na chia say no obebie mu kakra other home atare na 24-hour economy bi egu machines obebie enu ni mu other say ema ono so de bibia measurement ni bia ema so okay as from time na say omodi hu komo and on the 7th of July 2024 kwa no NDC chairman ebe send a live stream link ema as na mahama or live wa or addressing the media what I say ema adetin 8th July corona no on friend WhatsApp video call ema guy no entman pick Singapore entman pick guys oh na kama hama na person onu di nkomo what I say na kama hama na person di nkomo guys okay when ana o man recording was okay that time I was already busy guys that time I say my busy meant me am pick it for say omo di nkomo ema on the 17th of July crown no so you can catch us oh Charlie my send samples ni bia ma fe make sure say oh okay we mu come say starting mass production but let me catch everybody now almost 20 t-shirts edit back already mo kra mo ma pressure all say ema okay you can go ahead bibia I fine from time say almost edin komo and I say almost ya ho almost you bia almost ni mo ho almost edin komo what say na emu a ana to ikan Singapore ni abranche ka say ni obese obeye project bi e wa Ghana hanom as obese obeye project or the contract na e share NDC chairman na so because ona oni mo no din ko na for sure ono edin komo ache edi for there say ono edin komo omudin komo about adwuma omuda assurance all ye no na ono so eni nedin komo about the contract say all the assurance na say omusebuse mu ma no ECG cables any ade is omusem obese obe na bi all Ghana ha into all the contract no as the NDC chairman is in the from time say obise no mu enyema ekosei ene ade 4 get square no to ikan ebe chate NDC chairman bi say oh enema ekosei contract cables and supply me no enema ekosei any ade emu ana ene NDC chairman gas oh enema edaba koba now the enema Ghana ne won say bibia na so close ka ga uta Ghana amenti no meko office so je ka mami amount of money bi na ne nka meko a memfa sort o mi ade ko say o say metimi sort empanimfo bi say metimi sort nipa bi ensapan de ye fe propan ensha ben ana ko hu bi da ensapan ko a e wo ko ga say ini hotel ne aya mam ga kran nka memfa nko ma de tin ye no 6 August 2024 ko na or send this come and as send a bank draft any bibia e kan so ma send this come amount of money bi ama wenti misrewa fa eye bibia fine e fa ma me as in from there the omu a chat maybe monthly the next chat e be start on the 12th of August near the 12th of August now on the 11th no ana to ikan as a chance oh Charlie me send you $6 million be and I said that's $6 million contract no my maintain can have now we say can $50 million contract be no so emu to say my men so enti ni nyanka enti emu and then on the 12th of August no and this chairman ever channel guys oh I just woke up and I've been called for an emergency meeting with ECG I said oh okay I don't care I'm sorry come say ECG for Afreme for emergency meeting I will call you in the afternoon for the $6 million we will send you the acceptance letters of some of them by close of the day to start production but not for all for the $50 million and the $450 million the man was not happy. He's not looking good, but I'm looking at plan B. The demand is killing me. I'm in the car with my assistant. We will call you in the afternoon. Stay blessed. I was working. Matthias say, I say, for the sales men that's not in there. Omo, ya started my me discount omo. And there's omo started production into the anyhow. Enti enuachi, and I was sending another $800,000. What I say? I was sending $800,000. Okay, and also any ECD cables. As an ECD cable, one for any cables, and who do it ever chat must know. Charlie, I'm in a meeting with the ECD people now. Too much pressure. I will call you soon as I am done. Okay, good luck. And I'm later of just know. They have returned our money. Let me get out of here and call you. I have so much headache now. What I said, sika no 800,000 to am require no. Almost return this can. But now, mommy, no, mommy free hand when I'm in for you. Didn't come. And I was okay, I will wait. From there and there, Omo a chat. Maybe until Sunday, 2nd March 2025. Anna, so you can ever chat Singapore about the chat and this channel. I said, yes, let me know how to go about it. And I replied, I said, I think you should prepare to come to Ghana because of these license issues so that we can work on it together. We will need payment to be done, signatures and others. Enti anche bia enenye to ikan eba Ghana obaya na NDC chairman according to him no NDC chairman no ama nkofu bi ayire nkofu bi kokura etuo ayire no e o ma kidnap no e na ko hye edan bi mu e no mo twa ne pictures e dey Sunday ono ne bra o mo twa ne pictures e dey Sunday to ikan no e bra o Singapore e no mo chat ne bra ka tell say your brother Toyikan has been arrested in Ghana of defrauding a Chinese and a Ghanaian businessman of $5 million. He is currently in police custody awaiting trial. And I said, and I'll send the pictures so you can say, bra, to you can. Ghana, waba Ghana, and I said, well, defrauded China need be any some Ghana phobia to the sum of $5 million. And now, no, or please for catch it. There's a woman that chatting bra episka. Let's say, no more I to you can send it on to you can empty to you can a woman any. According to him, no. Grace adom bi ene otimi edwitwa ma na opie na to kan epie no e no se there be the ekoso no kwase abuo te na mamemfa asem no enko court. Now this issue no Ghana Web and I report my reading free Ghana Web, the Greater Accra regional chairman of the ruling National Democratic Congress NDC Nii Ashie has been sued by a Singaporean businessman Toyu Khan over an alleged 800,000 payment for failed electricity company of Ghana contract. Toyu Khan, the chief executive officer and director of NSG Group, in an application filed in the Accra High Court, accused the NDC regional chairman of taking $800,000 for a cable supply contract with the electricity company of Ghana that never materialized. As a Unia DCK is over supply the cable, ECG cables, but she can have wahwe cable bia or supply cable no about NSG group of company ehona to ikan or CEO other say ehona CEO wahwe animu a bibia emaye in the rate filed on 27 June 2020 say NHA and say or filed that rate no and cited by Ghana Web. The Singaporean businessman alleged that he paid Ashie 800,000 between 2023 and 2024 as part of an arrangement for an ECG contract allegedly secured by Moore, which was valued at millions of dollars. Yes, a sense you can know more. Or trades can every between 2023 and 2024. And one of those payments, ECD cables, and only air supply, but you can also accuse the NDC chairman of human rights abuse. He claimed that he traveled to Ghana at the invitation of Ashie, but was subjected to abuse, threats, and blackmail upon arrival. Let's say, I can't say, the say, Ashie, I can't tell you can't say, Omra Ghana, so be or no bet me early a corner license in India, it's Omra, I say, the serial previous no, be smooth, the etime iron, Emma or buy no, Omo Echiano. But I say, Omochin in the Hano, or they said, Obey to Ghana no, and his charmer, busy in the rights. Emma or South threat say no, blackmailing any other idea was Ariano and Chaye. According to him, the NDC chairman deprived him of his liberty by using armed men and allegedly demanded $3 million for his release. That's the only guy say, I kidnap no. Omo kidnap from the chatting brother. Now Omo demanded an amount of $3 million. Except Omo nebra make $3 million as a part of it to come. Omo actually say, Kwana Omo Kuno. You can is therefore acting the Accra High Court to declare that Ashie violated his rights and to order the repayment of the 800,000 made toward the ECD contract. That's now no or Jinisika. $800,000 now utuaye Edman and Yanto and Yantia. Gh20m contract am no o pese obichi etine enya nto a enye toamisika made mama etino a onya baako eni one a declaration that the respondent has violated the fundamental human rights of the applicant. B. An order for the recovery of the sum of $800,000 being the total sum paid by the applicant to the respondent towards the performance of ECD contracts purportedly secured by the respondent for NSG Innovation Limited. C. An order directing the respondent to pay to the applicant the sum of 20 million Ghana cedis as compensation for the threat, physical assault, humiliation, psychological distress, and the violation of the applicant's dignity occasioned by the unlawful, oppressive, and degrading conduct of the respondent. Na sɛ ɛnyɛ no nko a ɔse sɛ court ɛhyɛ no na court ɛma no tua $800,000 na ɔgye yɛ na court ɛnsa ama no tua 20 million Ghana cedis. 20 million Ghana cedis. Ɛma no Isaac Kevin ɔde compensate no fa kyɛ ɔmo kyie no asɔto ɔmo asɔte no ɛne ɔmo di ɔmo sɛ no ɔno ɛwɛwɛ mu eti no ɔgye no an amount of $20 million. General damages against the respondent for violating the fundamental human rights of the applicant, costs including legal fees. What I say, any other relief as the Honorable Court demand fit. The court document contains pictures supposed that it's a whole and then or day charter on it so you can Singaporean citizen or any Ghanaian NDC chairman a chat in a building them didn't at the church. Let's say now already court at the assembly Accra High Court at the assembly so I said the to can as a court any $800,000 every any secretary carrying that time only a money. If it's called the man some supply the cables no only that the man back. Now for give you 20 million Ghana cedis that is kind of 200 billion only if mana and any patisika efa obedu Ghana no chia o chain no a the chat ne bra say unia no abobọ kro no is obese uguru na batch ne brother mo e mo sa kidnap no demand amount of $3 million ni nyina mu no enye wa sort no wa be human right and here court any 20 million Ghana cedis kind of 200 billion informana over empata Accra we any ensemo etwagu e o Greater Accra monte so far as Greater Accra regional NDC chairman e concern so you mama e o comment section because this story actually be photo from Biana better no video mo area ma until then I Penyah bro me better tell you am e o comment section Accra